Good morning everyone. Today I am here to give a small talk on cybercrimes. First, we need to understand what cybercrime is. According to Information Technology Act 2000, cybercrime is an unlawful act wherein computers acts as both tools and the target. That means here in cybercrime, computers are used as tools to commit the crime. Also, the one who is affected in the crime is the computer user itself. So, we need to understand that recently the National Crimes Records Bureau has released a data which has shown that there has been increase in the cyber crimes in India, and it is about 11.8% jump. Also, if we see the data released by it, in the last decade there has been 4-fold increase in the instances of the cyber crimes. So friends, we need to understand why there has been this jump, and also what is the major cause behind it. As we can see, there has been a major push towards digitization, and also there has been a large increase in the users of the cyber related gadget itself. So according to big data analytics, we can say that about every day a daily amount of data which is being generated is 2.5 quintillion bytes. It is a humongous amount of data which is being generated every day, and also out of this a major amount of data is still remaining unregulated. So this unregulated data becomes the soft spot for the cybercrime to happen. That means the criminal finds this as a soft spot and then attacks it. Also, the very anonymous character of the cybercrimes itself is the major reason behind it happening. That the fact that the person who is behind a person or an organization which is behind the cybercrimes can attack from any part of the world to the person who is situated at any part of the country. So these two are the major reasons which cause the rise in the cybercrimes. So friends, we need now moving to the part that what could be done to bring down the cyber crimes happening all around the world, as it is not a something localized phenomena. Cyber crimes is happening every day. However, India becomes a major soft spot when it comes to cyber crimes. Why? Because we have a very large population using using data every day. So there has been many initiatives taken by India, like there has been Digital Saksharta Abhiyan, which actually creates awareness among the people how to use the gadgets safely. Also, as a personal user, we should always check that we change our passwords of the different social medias which we use every day. We need to change the passwords every day. Having these in mind, if we follow the regulations daily, I think these crimes could be brought down every day. Thank you.